Hi guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT easily. So right now you can see I'm in the google.com. Basically, I have to write here ChatGPT, right? And I will just hit the enter and you can see this kind of information here. So you can see it is developed by OpenAI. So I will just click on ChatGPT, right? And after that, you have to click on try ChatGPT, which is on the bottom right side corner. So if you don't have an account to access the ChatGPT, you have to make an account. You have to enter your email address, then you have to confirm I'm not a robot. Of course you're not, then continue, and after that you have to enter a password. So I already have accounts. I will just click on login, right? And here I will enter my account. And after that, I will verify that I'm not a robot, right? So basically I have to select the cars here. Okay, and right. And after that you have to click on continue. So here I will enter my password and just hit on continue, right? So it will take a very few seconds till it get load. So basically you can see this is a free research preview and all that. So you have to just click on the next and all that. So here basically this is a new chat in where this is just like a new tab. So if you create a new tab, you can just in each tab you can search the information. So here I will write basically this is search bar what makes the chat GPT very different from other. So I will just search here what is chat GPT, and here it's you can see chat GPT is basically a generative pre-trained transformer, is a type of languages model developed by OpenAI that is capable of generating human-like text. Yes guys, now here I can just search whatever I want, right? But make sure that you don't search any kind of pornography or adult type of things, right? So you have to search here, for example, can you explain me difference between ChatGPT and human, right? And let's see that what answer it gives. As you can see, ChatGPT is a type of artificial intelligence model that is trained to generate human text like and all that blah 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 blah, right? So it is ChatGPT is very well developed, and basically right now it is totally free. And if I want to search a question like ChatGPT versus Google, who will win, right? Because ChatGPT, I find it very similar to Google because you can search anything whatever you want. So you can say it is not appropriate to think that artificial intelligence model as competitors are to compare the capabilities in terms of winning or losing. Okay, so basically in that, and you can just search whatever you want, right? For example, if I want to search here, can you help me with my assignment, right? And if I just hit the enter, you can see I'd be happy to help you with your assignment. Could you provide more information? So you can just search the question and all that. Now here I will write here, write a script explaining what is chat GPT easily. And let's see what's the script here it's given. Okay, so hi there. Today we are going to talk about ChatGPT, right? But first, let's define what is ChatGPT stand for. ChatGPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It's a type of artificial intelligence model that is trained to generate human text like. And wow, I'm so amazed to see this, guys. You can just literally see that it is explaining each and everything. So what is ChatGPT? How does ChatGPT work? Okay, and all that. So if I just write here, if I just copy this question, and if I just enter here, how does ChatGPT work? Describe more deeply. Let's see what the answer it gave. So you can see the answer is completely, it is more deeply what I have asked, right? You can see, you can just read this answer and you can just read this answer. So basically this is the very awesome thing which I'm finding right now, and I'm totally amazed to say this. And here there are so many options that for the dark mode, if you want to access dark mode, you can access from here. You can also open AI Discord, right? And the FAQ, and if you want to log out, just click on the logout here. And if you want to clear the conversation, you can clear it. For example, if I want to clear the conversation, I'll just click on clear, confirm. That's it, it's totally clear. So here you can see the example and all that, the capabilities of ChatGPT and the limitations. Oh, so ChatGPT also has some limitation. You can see limited knowledge of world and event about 2021, right? So basically it cannot think about the future. It can just give me the information from the data from the internet. It will collect and give me. So this is it, guys. I hope you found this video really awesome and helpful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.